here we got the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Already in 2019, I have been blown away many times at the sheer value of money on many Xiaomi devices. This is my most awaited phone in 2019. Hi, this is Swimil from fmgtech.com and let's take a look at what actually is the Redmi Note 8 Pro. Let's get right into the video. Okay, let's unbox it. What's inside the box is pretty simple. A transparent case, some paperwork, SIM ejector tool, 18-watt fast charger, Type-C cable, and the beast Redmi Note 8 Pro. Cool. Now we are at the point where budget phone makes more sense than expensive flagship phones, and they are definitely offer more value to the customers. Okay, Redmi Note 8 Pro. This phone comes with a mediatek helio G90T processor, and that's a very big plus point, because it is a flagship level gaming processor and you are getting it for a budget price point. We are getting 3 RAM variants for this model: 6GB RAM 64GB internal, 6GB RAM 128GB internal, and 8GB RAM 128GB internal. It's very exciting that Xiaomi doesn't release a 4GB RAM variant. From my viewpoint, it's an intelligent view because it's a phone specially designed for gamers. Yeah, that's it. Gaming review will be uploaded soon on this channel. Another main thing is the battery. Here Xiaomi brings a massive 4500 mAh battery on the inside, and this phone can easily last for 1.5 days or 2 days. And the 18-watt quick charger is so useful, thanks for including it. The display that Note 8 Pro brings is a 6.53-inch IPS LCD panel with 1080p resolution. If it was AMOLED display, it was more exciting, but I can understand it's a phone that lies in budget category, so there are some trade-offs because the other features are very great. There's a small tiny little notch on the top of the screen for camera housing. The viewing angles of the display don't suffer and the colors are rich. Yeah, it's a good display. The front and the back both covered by Corning Gorilla Glass 5. You are getting a physical fingerprint sensor at the back of the phone, which is very fast, more accurate, so more reliable. The audio output from the speakers, I felt it's quite loud and crisp. The headphone jack and IR blaster is still present on it. The software here is MIUI 10 on the top of Android Pie, and the interface is well designed. Now to the greatest advertising feature of this phone, the 64MP camera of Samsung GW1 sensor. I'm sure that the results are going to be same, that is, the number doesn't matter. Yeah, when you hear 64MP camera, you will be very excited, but what I say is don't get very much excited with the camera. 64MP camera will not give you way better photo quality, but yes, it's gonna be a good camera for the price. I will be testing out this 64MP quad camera setup and I will tell you the deep results that I'm gonna get. So it's a topic for a separate video, so stay tuned for it by subscribing. The quad camera has a 64MP main sensor, an ultra-wide camera, a macro lens camera, and a depth sensor. The front camera is a 20MP AI selfie camera. Why the name AI here, I don't know. The topic camera is for a separate video, so stay tuned. For the price to feature ratio, this phone is really one of the best phone out there. And again, Xiaomi Note series is some kind of a hero in terms of sales. And yes, it's also gonna be a successor. It's selling like hotcakes in Amazon flash sale. And I got this device from the flash sale itself, luckily. Yeah, so we will be posting many videos related to this Redmi Note 8 Pro. So if you are into it, stay subscribed and hit the bell icon. So anyway, that's been it. My name is Swimil and see you guys in the next one.